Try mo ulit.
Nihongo, English. Would you like to have in here? Would you like to take away?
For here.
For here, 2 people inside.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Is this your first time come here?
Yes.
Really nice to meet you. Good. Okay, I'm gonna explain how this works to the person. So you know, so you guys, this is our menu, a coffee bean. So everything inside is single in coffee, and all of them is a light roast coffee job. I mean, this place there is no medium and no dark roast coffee inside. Is it okay? Okay, great. Good. And the way reason, our best way drink option is a pour-over handed coffee. This is our specialty for everything. And the other espresso coffee way, we do a shot of espresso. Espresso put the milk, I mean a latte, only cow's milk. And espresso martini, kind of alcohol cocktail with only this bunch. And whatever you want, you have to choose the beans, one over there. Yes. Then I think to the first episode, different trees pour-over, we make hot and ice. Okay. So how do you think? Today, which way would you like it? Pour over or an espresso?
Do you want espresso or?
Espresso. Espresso.
Espresso?
Yeah.
Shot latte or martini?
Ano sa'yo?
Latte.
Latte,
Is
yeah.
hot or ice? Hot is better option.
Hot.
Hot. Okay.
Hot sa'yo?
Hot latte. Okay.
I'm going to do a pour over.
A pour over.
Ah, sorry.
Hot.
So, 1 espresso, 1 pour over.
What did you say?
1 espresso and
Shot
1...
espresso?
Sorry?
It means shot espresso. Latte.
Latte, yeah.
And 1 red coffee. Latte, red coffee. Okay, good. Both hot.
For the latte, do you have oat milk?
Here, I always say, I already say no oat milk, only cow's milk,
okay.
And we focus on coffee culture, not milk culture, okay?
Okay.
Wait, is it okay, like milk?
Yeah.
Good, okay. So I'm gonna start it for the latte today. Pomegranate and citrusy taste note it has. And final one, this one. from the Lisa Lauda Milan, process called Antico wash. Kinda Antico wash, 59%.
Parang mas gusto ko.
Today, 1, 2, and 3 is great for the lattes. Thank you.
This one.
This one,
This one,
okay.
yeah.
Lisa Lauda Milan as a latte. How do you think of the pour? Everything is fine, sir. According to this black label, it's kind of a rarity coffee. Any geisha or salmon coffee is winning in the auction or a contest. How do you think? This one is still pretty good. The good pink, grapefruit, ginger, and after that 10%, geisha like muscat taste it appeared.
3 pour-over is ready.
And this one, it's a Brazil Datilla auction lot.
Thank you so much for hosting the Brazil.
I think I like this one.
Sure. Thank you so much. Anything else?
And that's it.
Thank you so much. Okay, so that's the price of the total 6,800. Sorry, 2,800.
Here's a taste description. Farm information is on it. You can keep this. Enjoy. And please wait for the bottle.
Konnichiwa. Hello, how are you doing? Good for you. I'm also good. Thank you so much for coming. Sir, would you like to have in here or would you like to take away? No, okay.
Grapefruit muscat.
Yeah, everything's pretty good. Left side, like what level? They have very special high grade options. They are almost geisha varieties, you know. These are the yellow black levels, and everything geisha. Then, yeah, lower is our exclusive one. Here is geisha.
Ano melon?
Yun nga, meron siyang melon. Meron ka ba sabi? Mas binili ko siya kaysa sa strawberry.
Yung cashew. Cashew to. America blended. Thank you.
Come on, Lee.